it's the manager here, back with another great recipe. Tangy Brussels sprouts and eggplant. This is a delicious recipe. You can use it at barbecue. Brussels sprouts, eggplant. Some pepper, some basil, and fennel seeds. This is for the flavoring that will go into the vegetables. And 3 cloves of garlic. 1 lime, 1 chilli. What we have here is the chopped fresh coriander or cilantro and some mint. Cut the eggplant into cubes. Oil. Now you don't have to add oil, you can actually cook it without oil, but I find adding oil keeps a bit of moisture in the eggplant, and then just basically mix it around. Do the same for the Brussels sprouts. Put some oil in there, and then just mix it up. Put garlic in there. Put some fennel seeds, some cracked pepper, and some basil leaves. Some olive oil. Toast this. So here it is after it's been baked. And then what you do, you basically take it out and transfer it into a bowl. Okay, so now you have here it is baked, and all we're going to do, we're going to put the flavoring that we had made before, we're going to put it in here and just mix it up. Very crunchy, with a hint of that beautiful toasted cumin seeds. Hey guys, if you just want the Brussels sprouts, you don't have to add the eggplant. You can eat as is. Keep watching to add the eggplant. And there we have it. We're just mixing it, putting the baked eggplant, and there we have it. And now we're going to pour some lime. And we're just going to mix that with our hands. Okay, look at that. Can you see that? That's the fresh cilantro, the mint, and the chili with a bit of lime. And now let's have a taste. There's that lime, the fresh herbs, and a slight tang of chili.